Hey guys, Sean Foster SC Mods here, and I'm going to go over a quick tip on how to get the diaphragm cap right here onto the end of this hose barb when it's coming through the firewall. So the problem people have is once they get the sound tube through, they lube it up, pushes right through. You can see the end of it here. What happens is on the 7 to 14s, there's not a lot of space under the dash here to reach up there and really grip this and push it on. And what happens is people just can't get the enough strength to push it on. So I'm going to show you how to do it where you can basically just hold it with 2 fingers. The guys that have big hands, this is going to help you out. You're going to take the zip tie that I gave you and you're going to just lay it over like this. This way you can cinch it down afterwards. And what you're trying to do there is you're trying to cinch it down. Once the cap goes over the end of this barb, you're going to be cinching it down so it helps to hold it onto this barbed surface right here and keep it from coming out. So you're going to use the supplied grease. You're going to put some grease on the inside of this to help it slide on there. And this is a 2-person job at this point because you can see this is going to rock back and forth if you don't have somebody on this other side holding it. So far well side, 2 fingers, you can reach up there and just push it on and push it right all the way to the dash or to the firewall. And then the person on the other side, engine side, is just going to go ahead and start twisting and pushing forward. And as you can see, perfectly seated now. And that's completely sandwiched together. So at this point, we just go ahead and cinch down the zip tie right on the very edge. And the person on the other side there will hold this down, hold the sound tube, pull that tight, and then you can clip it off, and that's it, installed with 2 fingers. And once the lube sets up, this is not going to slip out, it's not going to move, it'll be nice and tight, and you'll be all set. So that's it. Thanks for watching.